you were married at least 10 years, you haven't remarried, or if you did remarry, you got re-divorced or your second or subsequent spouse died. You're single now. That's what I'm getting at. You're single now, and you want to know if you're eligible to draw Social Security spousal benefits off of a former spouse. Yes. If you were married to that former spouse at least 10 full consecutive years. Don't come at me with 9 years and 9 months. It's got to be 10 full. And you're single now. Even though he might have remarried. He might have remarried and divorced 3, 4, 5. I don't care about him. You are currently single. You were married at least 10 full consecutive years. Yes, you're eligible to draw Social Security spousal benefits off of a former spouse. Now, you have a big choice. You can draw them as early as 62 or as late as whenever. I would never draw past age 66, 67, your full retirement age, but you can draw as early as 62. But if you draw early, you're going to get a permanently reduced amount. So you're eligible to get up to 50% of whatever your ex-spouse is drawing, if he's currently drawing, or what he'd be eligible to draw if he's not drawing. Now, he has to be 62. You have to be 62. He has to be 62. And this is gender neutral, so that you could reverse the genders if the woman was the high breadwinner. But let's say the man is typically the high breadwinner, and he's 62, but he doesn't want to draw Social Security. We don't care. No problem. As long as you are 62, you can draw off of him. Now, for the men out there being drawn off of, they're like, whoa, 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 whoa. I'm remarried. What is this going to do to my wife? Nothing. It's not going to do anything to any of your other ex-wives that you were married for 10 years to either. Several people can draw off the work record of one worker. And if you are that worker, you need to know it's not going to take anything away from you. It's not going to hurt you at all. Now, it might make you mad because you really hated these ex-wives and they did you wrong. If you are the ex-wife and he did you wrong and you're scared of him, the common question I get is, hey, I want to draw this money. I need the money. I'm entitled to the money, but I'm scared of this guy. We had a bad marriage and worse divorce. Is he going to get notice? Is he going to get a letter that says I'm drawing off of him? No. So he's not going to be notified by the Social Security Administration. But he could always call there and ask if anybody's drawing off of him, and they would tell him that. So what you want to know is it going to be in his face notified? And the answer is no. And I get a lot of this where like the kids will be mad if I draw off dad. The kids are just uninformed. It doesn't hurt dad. It doesn't take anything away from him. It doesn't take anything away from his current wife or his other ex-wife. And they're like, well, where does the money come from then? Social Security is a social program. It's all your neighbors. It's everybody that's paid into Social Security. So we're all helping each other out. So all the people that died, that never got their benefit, that's where this money's coming from. And then, of course, we know that there's a shortfall in the budget and blah, blah, blah. The main thing to know is he will not be notified. If he does want to know, he does have the right to call and find out. You're not taking anything away from him. You're not hurting him. You're not hurting his current wife. You're not hurting his other ex-wives. You're all eligible to draw up to 50% while he's alive. If he passes, you're eligible to draw up to 100%. If you draw it early at 62, you're not going to get 50%. You're going to get more like 30%. And if you want to see our Medicare cheat sheet that tells you how much you get at 62, for 63, 64, 65, you can go to our website, themedicarefamily.com, and get an email of our Medicare cheat sheet. You can call Social Security, or you can set up your own account at socialsecurity.gov. Now, if you want to know how much your ex-husband's going to get from Social Security, you can either ask him, if you're on good terms, or you have to call Social Security. They won't tell you until you prove that you were married, a certified copy of your marriage license, and your divorce decree. Then they will tell you, here's how much he made. If half of his is more than all of yours, then yes, you are eligible to draw off of him. If you remarry, then you can't. You close that door. If you remarry, you close that door. But then if you re-divorce, you open that door. So some people have been married and divorced to 2 or 3 people. They were married to each of them for 10 years. And you have choices. So if you tell Social Security, give them all your marriage license and divorce decrees, they will tell you which ex-spouse would allow you to get the highest benefit with Social Security. You can always only get one benefit, whichever's the highest. you have more questions, call us at themedicarefamily.com. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.